Isabella, I've got your program you turned in where I gave you the pseudocode and you write the code. Little bit of like logic errors in them, which means it runs fine with no errors in Python, but it doesn't produce the results that you expect the program to produce. So let's run it and then we'll talk about it here. All right, I've got your program loaded up here. Got your name, date, all this stuff. Let's just run it. What is your name? All right, I'm going to say my name is Billy. And it says, what did you give someone as a present recently? And I'll say Billy gave a Billy goat. So Billy and a Billy goat. Welcome to my January program. Hello, Isabella. Wait a minute. I'm not Isabella. I'm Billy. And I didn't give Nike shoes. I gave a Billy goat. So see, it didn't have any errors, but what it produced was not what it should have done. It should have called me Billy and said I gave Billy goat. So what happened? All right. So you have the welcome to my January program. That's great. You have username, input statement, and ask the name. That was perfect. User gift, input statement, ask what they gave as a gift. Here's what got problems. And it looks like maybe you were trying to look online to figure out how to do print statements or ask an AI how to, or somewhere you were looking for it. Because this is not what I showed in the videos on print statements, on how to print, because this F doesn't need to be there. What's the F for? I don't know what you have an F for. We don't need that at all. But you used it twice, and I know you can find other programs that does use F in other versions of Python, and AI uses F. It's a formatting thing in versions of, but that doesn't work with what we're doing here. Here's why it says hello, Isabella. Because that's exactly what you put in quotes. Anything you put in quotes, it's going to put exactly on the screen. Now, that puts this quote there just because you put the F. So the F made it put the quotes. If we ran it again, now that I took the F out and I just put Billy and Billy goat, see, it doesn't have that quote in front of the hello anymore. But it puts everything that's in quotes. So we don't want hello, Isabella in the quotes. We just want the hello and a space. Then we want to add the username. Username. And it's not in quotes. If I put that in quotes, here, let me put that in quotes, just show you. If I put that in quotes, Billy goat. Now it says hello username because I put it in quotes. So we take the quotes off. Oh, I hit the wrong thing. There we go. Take the quotes off. Hello username, Billy goat. Oh, look, now it says hello Billy. It says hello because I put that in quotes. Then I added to that. Don't just print hello plus whatever username equals. And the username is going to equal whatever they type. So now we just need to do the same thing right here. Let's say you gave a space plus user gift. So now it'll print hello and whatever the user enters, and you gave a whatever gift the enter users. Let's clear this and run it. Billy goat. Hello, Billy. You gave a Billy goat. That's awesome. So that was it. You're doing okay up here. You got the input statements and all that great stuff. You just had a little bit of trouble with the two print statements. So remember, you can always go back and watch those videos in Google Classroom if you're struggling with any of that. And you can always email me. Here's my code. Here, you can save it and send it to me and say, I'm having trouble with this. It's not, the printout doesn't look right. How do I fix it? Or you can come to class on these asynchronous days when we don't have class. You can come on Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. You can email me, and we can get together in a meet, and I can look at your program and say, oh, here's the issue, and we get that fixed. So small stuff, easy to fix. I'll get this video back to you. We'll see you in class.